Hi friends, I am Sagar Sopanamkar from Akulus. Today we have discussed a topic in inheritance. The inheritance is the used in two. What is meant by inheritance? Firstly, what is meant by inheritance? Inheritance is the to creating the new class from the existing class. Means to creating the parent class and to create new child class for the existing class. Then types of the inheritance. There are five types of the inheritance: single inheritance, multiple inheritance, multi-level inheritance, hierarchical inheritance, and hybrid inheritance. But in Java, used in only three inheritance. First one is single inheritance, second one is the multiple inheritance, and third is a hierarchical inheritance. Multi-level inheritance and hybrid inheritance. It is Java is not acceptable in the Java. Then there first one is a single inheritance. Single inheritance is the only one creating only one class from the only one child class from the existing class. For example, to create a class A, then open curly bracket, then creating class B, extent of class A, then closing curly bracket. This access the all arguments and all parameters class B of the class A. Then the second one is the multiple inheritance. Multiple inheritance is the multi-level inheritance. Multi-level inheritance is the creating new class from the object from the existing class, then creating new another class from the second another from the second child class. Then for example of the and give the simple example of the multi-level inheritance is first one is the multi-level inheritance is the class A, then to open curly bracket, then overall code write the class A, then class B, creating class B extend of the class A, then to contain and write the code of the class B, then class C is the extend of the class B, then overall access the data in class B and class A in the C, in the class C. And that is the multi-level of the inheritance, multi-level inheritance. Then multiple inheritance is the used in two, both parent class and access only one child class. Then it is a used in two parent class and access only one child class. That is the two simple example from the class A. Then or write the open curly bracket, then write the code of the class A, then closing curly bracket, then class B, then open curly bracket, then overall write the code of the class B, then closing curly bracket, then used class C. It is a extend class A and extend class B. The whole data adds access class A and class B. They access the C to overall both classes data accessible. That is the multiple inheritance. Then hierarchical inheritance. Hierarchical inheritance is the used to combination of the classes and combination of the inheritance. Simply, hierarchical inheritance is the used in to access the data. To access the data, simple definition of the hierarchical inheritance is it is used in to multiple and multi-level inheritance, to both of the multiple and multi-level inheritance. Then hierarchical inheritance syntax of the for simple example, class A, then write the code of the class B, class C, then class B extend of the class C, extend of the class A, then class C extend of the class A and B, and then class D extend class of the C. That is the hierarchical inheritance. Then hybrid inheritance. Hybrid inheritance is the topology of the inheritance, but the in Java Java is not used in multiple inheritance, hybrid inheritance, and it is used to because to creating the ambiguity in inheritance, multiple inheritance and hybrid inheritance. Hierarchical inheritance. That is the used to interface in the Java to multiple and hierarchical inheritance. Thank you.